Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog, there's something important to talk to you now about. First thing in our vlog is never should you ever make the mistake and pay somebody for work that hasn't been done already. Never ever you make that mistake and pay somebody for work that hasn't been done already. I repeat, never. But that is mechanic, because my van need to change on oil seal. This oil seal for about 2 weeks now, brother. Today marks about 2 weeks me I come here, so every single day fear an excuse why my truck can't fix. Everybody else's vehicle come before mine apparently, and either I come too early or I come too late. So there's always something, but never you ever pay a mechanic or anybody before work is done. I repeat. Okay. Alright, when I do whatever I do, if me get the opportunity to get it done today, let me tell you why I can't cuss or nothing like that. Because I did get the wrong part at first, and I come and pull it down already and the wrong seal, and I have to go back for the right seal. But I did just fully pay and done. He said I could have come back and get it done. Brother, I sure know what I talk about. Look at the time, 10:52. He said to me, it's Friday, so make sure I reach around here at 9 o'clock. So, I hold him in word, you know. I reach around at 9 o'clock. Now 11 o'clock now, 10:52. I'm not to start work on the truck yet. Not to start work on the truck yet. But I give him a look interview still, mate. If you don't know him, you don't know him. If you don't know him, you don't know him. But I give him a look interview and introduce you guys to him. I'm good youth, but what's that? Travis said if I left the vehicle around here, just come and park here and left it. But I can't do that. I can't bother to do that either. There I go and wait, man. Pause the phase if you get upset or whatever like that. It don't make sense, you get me? I go and hold them, you know? I'm determined to give me a day today. Alright, watch it. Brother, man, gonna fix the lock. I'm gonna fix the lock, brother. Yo, man, honestly prefer man tell me say, yo, I wanna fix the van now, man. That's all okay, man. I don't wanna fix the van. Don't have me. God no, but Travis, I'm enough to move.
Hold on, I actually get the number, carry number. I hit this side. For sure, I still put the C number.
You give me a number, man.
You get a number?
Go. Can I record it right now?
If you can record. What kind of question did you ask?
Just ask. Yeah, boss, you know how to respect, you know?
Oh, come on.
School, man.
You don't have to if you can record.
School, man. So, I do a look at documentary. School?
Sure.
And want you be a party. So I just want you tell them look a bit bored. Walk go and run us, you know? Eh?
It's true, man. I'm not prepared for that.
You don't have to be prepared, brother. Just talk a few sentences, man, and you done this. Just say, yo, we place the runner, so street, what not, right, and they done.
What not?
Just tell them where runner, so they call lane.
Yeah,
Railway lane.
Railway lane, so I'm gonna come disturb me now.
God.
Brother, see?
Where else, you know? When you done this, you know? I tell them say today a day 12 or 14.
Day 12 or 14.
Day 12 or 14.
What, the date of the month or what?
When the day I come around and say I have to do it back and come around and I have to do it back.
So that you do on...
No, but as I said today day 14.
Sorry, I'm not volunteer for that.
You know what I want? No. So good. Anyway, as I said, a good youth man, but boy, Jason, you can't have me on day 14, you know. You're good enough, I'm rate, you know, but we may do a day 14.
No, I know my father. No, you have to understand the whole thing with the work, with all the work set and thing. And at the time when you're coming out, that's the problem. You know?
Good.
And you remember I said the government giving limited time right now. So you have to come early.
Good. John wants to you make me lose off for you.
No, bro. You can't lose off on me, bro. That's my fault. Come on.
True, I boss still and I'm just at work with you, you know. So guys, finally they're back on the road. Mechanics said me not for bother with the day 14, day 12 business. Woo. Anyways, as I say, yo, honestly, I want the best mechanic me know I'm one thing a bit. Honestly. And that's why I'm not to can say I make impulsive decisions. But why? So people stay here, man, and I can bet on me alone can have a testimony upon that paying a man before work done. Brother, you know, hold on. Give them the money a couple days after or something. Wait, don't rush it. Cause I don't know. But honestly, as I say, I want the best mechanic them, but don't pay him before the work is done. Once you reach in shop and say, yo, you want work to be done, trust me, he can do the months. He can do the months. But if you want nothing and then no problem, don't say, alright, I give you money and can work carry next week. Don't do that. Come with the money, come same time, you get your work done. And as I say, I want the best mechanic them in a St. Jane. Me somewhat can vouch for that, brother. I not lie. When my van did down and any one of my vehicle then down, I'm going to carry them around there and do the maths and then do the maths the right way. But boy, I never know them dirty ways, but I guess everybody have them dirty ways. Jason, you need to get rid of your dirty ways. Alright. Oh, yo. Yes. Alright, new day. Similar. New day, new suit. Yo, this camera has been bugging since recently. Jeez. Come on. Work with me. Alright, so get Team Ismash promotion time. Alright, again, thanks to everybody no, I actually never say it, you know. Alright, first of all, I would like to say welcome to all of the new members to the Team Ismash family. Greetings and salutations. Welcome back all of the, you know, day one subscribers there from, you know, from me I don't want to know. I don't remember me the other time, but welcome back. Promotion time. Anybody who live in Montego Bay, St. James, Hanover, Trelawney, and is in need of any hardscape, landscape work to be done, including property maintenance, let me know. You get the opportunity to have me, your boy, come into your house, you know, building your wall, building your fence, building your pergola if necessary. Any form of hardscape or landscaping construction that is need to be done, your boy can be on it. I'm gonna leave. By the way, my flyer supposed to be up by now. So my flyer supposed to be up. You guys can look at the information and read it off. Our contact number is on it if you guys need to reach out. And you know, for the upcoming Labor Day and etc., let your boy come through and take care of your property. You know what I'm saying? Get free quotes. The quotes are always free. For anything to do with the landscaping work, the quotes are always free. Construction wise, you know, you have to link me differently on that. Building construction matter. So support the business, guys. It's a new thing. Fairly started about a month plus ago. So yeah, guys, that me just want to promote to you guys. So hoping you can support the business, you know. You know, we use one and wash the other, you know. I'm teaching you something, I'm giving you something when I give back something, right? We use one and wash the other. So yeah, Team Ismash. If you guys still here watching the video down to this point, please give this video a thumbs up. Yo, a thumbs up them help. Thumbs up them help, especially when you go into the hundreds. Try when I watch the videos them and you see it in the hundreds, work hard to get the likes them up in the hundreds for me to play it, because it'll help the channel and me see growth, steady growth to for the past couple of days. So I appreciate that. You guys, as me say, wanna remind me of family. You guys remind me of family, and we don't have to be blood, to be family. So close as acquaintances or anything that it seems that we are family, where we're close, and you know, look out for each other. People would have never know. Team Ismash, thanks for watching the videos. Thanks for leaving your guys' comments. Thanks for interacting. Thanks for making these videos fun for me. Thanks for making me enjoy doing these videos and etc. You guys play a big role in all of this. A huge role. A huge role. And I appreciate it. As we can say, who that? Oh, some guys come for material. As me say, you can always tell a friend, you can always recommend the channel, you can always do all of that for me and just make the family bigger, because the more the merrier, you know, in some cases. But I forgot to attend to work now. Early in the morning, work supposed to come in soon, but let's get it. Team Ismash, thanks for watching this vlog. Truly appreciate you guys. If you're not subscribed as yet, please subscribe. If you're not anything as yet, please do it. Hit the notification bell and let's get this thing rolling.